Check it out, boys. Listen, pal. One of our current projects here there, Bubsky. Got a little wall flashing to do across the front here, boys. We're going to hop up there. We're going to grind it out so we can tie this into the brick, pal. Yeah, we're going to grind it like a broke college student, buddy. Have it tied in. Tie it in suit and tie, pal. Let's do it. Gonna sit right inside the brick, boys. We'll seal the inside with some Supra, and then I'll come back, fill this outside with some more flex. We're gonna test fit our pieces, pre-drill our holes, we'll pull it back off, dial her in like a touch tone. There you have it, boys. Little wall flash to tie up into the brick there. Cut the mortar out. Fed the hole, pal. Carry on.